All the drones were tested and they are connected to the same network. You can see that the drone at the center will hold its position while the two other drones will perform a motion on the perimeter of a square. Now they have reached the other vertex of the square. The central drone will hold its position. Now the opposite drones have moved to the other vertex. And once again they have swapped their position. And now this was the last coordinate and the entire motion is complete. Now they will all hold their position like this only unless we have disarmed them by our script. Now we will disarm them one by one. The best thing about this is it exposes us to a research environment here, and we don't, like many of us don't have the monetary means to get into these fields, but here at eYantra we are provided with anything that we need and also the guidance that we get. So working in an environment that is not always favorable or maybe not always the way we like when we were working for the competition it was with our friends, but here in the internship also we were supposed to form teams, but it was not with someone we know. He's from Haryana, I'm from Lucknow, and to cope up together and to work as a team with someone you don't know, that is really one of the biggest soft skills that I developed here.
How the time management, that completing a project or completing some task in some very small gap of time, I can really experience that. In internship there are many projects running alongside other than which we are working on. By interacting with the people which own projects they are working, we can interact with them and find what they are working, how they are working, so we can elaborate on different fields and really learn from different fields and different projects.
Workshops that were done here were not just on one technical subject, but they were from diverse topics. Like it was also about heartfulness, meditation. I really took up to meditation, and I think that we should all implement that in our daily lives. Entrepreneurship was one of the things that was focused the most in most of the workshops, and it is really important for us to become employers and not employees. So that is what I take from these workshops. Image processing is one of the fields that I wanted to get into, and machine learning plus image processing is one of the major projects that I will take up now, and this is because I attended one of the workshops during the internship.